In any city, in any country, go to any pet store or zoo you can get yourself to. When you reach a front desk, ask to visit someone who calls himself the holder of fluffy kittens. This is his story. Chapter 0. The holder of fluffy kittens. Should a look of childlike glee come over a worker's face, you will then be taken to a building in a long, well-lit, windowed corridor. All you will hear is the sound of fluffy kittens meowing, growling, and purring endlessly. It is a language that you do not understand, but your very soul will feel unspeakable happiness. Should the kitten stop making noise any time, start tiptoeing, and be as quiet as possible. You don't want to interrupt that time. If you do, you'll have to leave. Don't stop for anything. Don't go home. Don't stay at an inn. Just keep moving, sleeping wherever your body drops. You will know in the morning if you've escaped successfully. Or you can just offer them some milk as compensation. That works too. Anyway, oh God. After you've dealt with that, continue on. Upon reaching the room, all you will see is a gigantic open-air gazebo with hundreds of cute, fluffy kittens huddled in the corners, playing endlessly and cradling something. The kittens will only respond to one question. What happens when you all grow up? They will then stare intently into your eyes and answer your question, horrifying detail. No matter how fluffy the kitten, no matter how cuddly, cute or playful, all kittens eventually become cats. They will go into excruciating detail of every sofa shredded, every sweater unravelled, every songbird devoured. Many go mad in their very gazebo, others despair soon after encounter, and still others end their lives. But most do a worse thing and make eye contact with those kittens. You too will be tempted. Be warned that if you do, your snook will be one of cruelty and unrelenting horror. Your death will be in that room by that kitten's paws. That kitten is 0558, and he must never grow up. Never. You have been warned.